Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. After that, you need to scroll down just a bit and click on Bluetooth section under Wi-Fi. Then click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth to enable it, and wait for available devices to show. Following that, just tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to connect, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this little icon next to the device and tap on Unpair. If you wish to connect to it again, just tap on it and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!